Hey, what's going on guys? Gaming News here. In today's video, I'm playing Chimps. I'm going to see how far I can get on Chimps using the Druid monkey. And Chimp stands for no continues, no hearts lost, no income other than popping balloons, no monkey knowledge, and no powers or selling. So, I'm going to put my first Druid here. And this guy's going to be a 2-2-0, I think, for now. So, Hard Thorns pops through every balloon type except camo because I can't hit camo, I do believe. Yeah, so it can pop any balloon type. And then Thorn Swarm and Hard Thorns are very good upgrades together. Because now you shoot 8 thorns that can pop through 2 layers of balloons. Druid's getting a little overrun here. And this is a this is only a Druid run, so we can't use the village for camo. So we're going to use Etienne because at level 8, all monkeys on the map can see camo balloons. So we need to get him down as soon as possible and his drones can automatically see camo, I think. Oh, okay, round 5, or level 5 is when the things can hit camo. His drones can hit camo. So I'm going to save up to $920 to get Etienne so we can get him down as soon as possible. Ooh, a Druid can take out those yellow balloons. Okay, we can almost afford Etienne, which is very good. Our Druid is popping all these balloons. There we go. We're going to put him here, I guess. Yeah, we'll put him here. So he's got a drone, the drone will stay in his radius, and then it'll be able to pop camo by 25, I think. So now, I think I want to save up for a Heart of Thunder, maybe? Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy a Heart of Thunder. And boom. So now we can strike all of these balloons with one pop. And since we have Heart of Oak, it regens all of the balloons that the lightning hits, which is very good. So I think now that we have that, oh, I have Etienne's ability. What does it do? I think it just summons 4 other thingies. I'm gonna get Druid of the Jungle. And now I can start working on getting other Druids down. Aw, come on, man. Come on. I got the placement wrong, so I can't put another Druid there. Which is not exactly fun. There we go. I'm just gonna put him here, I guess. And he can be a bottom path. Because bottom path is very good. And this Druid of the Jungle is insane. The balloons are just staying under this tree. They're not even coming. Okay, 1 red balloon got by. Okay, so we just want to spam populuses. Populus? I don't know. What would be the plural of populus? Populuses? Ooh. Okay. So Etienne's drones can see camo, and he's almost level 8. So all of our Druids can almost see camo. And the cool thing is it doesn't even have to be in his radius. They can you can put a Druid all the way over here, or just any tower that doesn't have base camo detection. I'm going to not use the ability because we're fine. So this guy has a 1 populus buff, so he's slightly increased attack speed, I think. Yeah, and Pierce. I'm not sure if that works on the lightning though. Okay, Etienne has unlocked his 2nd drone. Yeah, he controls 2 drones, and then next level, all of our monkeys will be able to see camo. I'm gonna use this ability. Ah, dang it. That's dumb. Okay, guys, we are back where we died last time, and as soon as his round starts, I'm gonna use Etienne's ability just to help out take out these camo balloons that are gonna be here, I thought. Didn't we? I'm confused. Oh, come on, pop it down, pop it down.
Systems check.
That was odd. Huh. Okay, that's really weird. We survived it. We didn't survive it last time, but we did this time.
Objective.
Okay. I think the next time camo balloons come out is 42. And he should be level 8 by 42. By around 42. Oh, sorry. Wait, can we take down Moab? Hold on, let me turn auto start back on. Can we take down a Moab? I'm gonna cross path these guys to... I'm gonna cross path it to top. Come on, level up, Etienne. I need him to level up before 42. So hopefully...
Tracking.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna use that ability. And maybe, hopefully we can take down the Moab. Come on. Yep, okay. I'm not gonna level up Etienne because I think he'll level up this round. We'll put it back on speed. There we go. We got the Heart of Thunder again. And I'm gonna put down another Druid. Get bottom path. This guy should, yeah, he's got 2 times buffs. This will get him up to 3 times buffs. Okay, and yep, there we go. Now every monkey here, even these 2 guys outside his range, can, this guy is probably outside his range too, but we can now all hit camo balloons. What's that? But this guy's got 3 times buffs now. So if we want to get a Spirit of the Forest, we can. Don't really see why we'd want to do that. Why did that say 4 times? Gonna get this guy. Why did that say 5 times? Am I? Look, this guy says 4 times. I'm losing brain cells. Okay, so this guy has a 3 times buff, and I want this guy to just be a full-on top path. I think we are owning the balloons, by the way. And then I think I want the extra attack speed of Heart of Vengeance. Okay, this guy has 3 times buffs. I'm gonna get Lightning Ball because it's a pretty cool upgrade, I think. I am not sure if we can get Lightning Storm or Super Storm. I want to think we can, but it is really not likely. But I mean, we can try, so let's try. Okay. I guess I'll see you guys when I have a lot. Okay, BFB, I have $20,000. Hopefully we can take it down. I think I'm ready to use. Okay, I'm gonna use Etienne's ability, that extra popping power, and we are fine. So, the rest of the game's in a breeze. We've just been absolutely shredding these balloons. It's pretty easy, actually. Most Moabs get popped at this first corner. And, yeah, and then this guy's just shooting a lightning ball down this line and just evaporating all the... Oh, fortified Moabs. Getting a little farther than I'd like. But it's good, it's good. I couldn't afford a 5th tier, even if I wanted to buy one that isn't the Superstorm. So yeah. I'm just gonna keep popping down these balloons. 63 is no problem. Yeah. But 64 might be because there's a lot of Moabs that come on this round. I think we're fine. Seems like we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Okay. So if I were forced to go for an Avatar of Wrath, I would probably get it on this guy because he has the most attack range toward the front. And his range expands, I think. I don't remember. I think its range expands. Maybe it doesn't. But this guy's still good even if the range doesn't expand. So if I'm able to catch it before we die, if I'm able to stop the balloons before they get to the end, I'm gonna stop saving up for the Superstorm and buy an Avatar of Wrath. Okay, balloons doing some damage here. The balloons haven't made it over here yet. Like, they haven't made it past this tiny stone right here. Where my cursor is, I don't think. Maybe they have, and they just didn't make it up here. But the balloons definitely haven't made it up here. I'm actually going to target this guy to last, like I did with the Juggernaut. If you saw that video, so it will hopefully only shoot down this straight line. Okay, the drones just got an upgrade. Drones increased popping power and flight speed. Nice. Oh, okay, tornado there saved us. I think I can say, no I can't, okay. I was gonna say, I think I can buy the Avatar of Wrath, or not the Avatar of Wrath, this, what's it called? Spirit of the Forest, if I really, really needed to, but I don't. And as you can see, all of our guys have camo detection. Every single one of them has camo detection. Even Etienne, even though he already had camo detection. Wait. His own buff gets to apply to him, and he doesn't even attack. He controls the drones that attack. Wasn't even paying attention to the balloons trying to sneak through. That's a lot of Moabs. I think we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Did I cross back these guys? No, I didn't. How much is it? Yeah, it'll only be like $1,000. Okay. I'm gonna cross back these two guys to 024s. Yeah.
Yeah.
73. Double BFB on 73. We haven't upgraded our defenses, so are we strong enough? I think we are. Yeah, okay, we're strong enough. $8,000 and then I can buy, oh my gosh, we're getting so much money. But yeah, in like $6,000 I'll be able to buy the Avatar of Wrath if I really, really need to. I'd prefer to save up for Superstorm because it's just really OP. But if we have to buy the Avatar of Wrath, I will buy it. To survive, because I'm not trying to be here for 7 hours. That's not good. Okay, the balloons got really far there. We might have to buy the Avatar of Wrath. I'll pop Etienne's ability here because there's a lot of balloons. Ooh! We're not gonna survive that. Okay. A ton of balloons just got by. Okay. Okay, 75 is a problem. I'm gonna set this guy to first. And then I'm gonna use both of Etienne's abilities. Once.
Tracking BFB. Tracking MOAB.
I'm gonna use this ability. And then I'm gonna use this ability. It should hopefully help us here. Okay. We popped down what tried to kill us last time. Are we fine against this? I can't tell. Are we fine? Oh my gosh, we barely lived. Hold on. That's a lot of balloons. I don't like how many balloons that is.
Tracking MOAB.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to buy the Avatar of Wrath. It's just too close. These last few rounds. Okay.
Tracking BFB.
That's a lot of things. It's a lot of balloons. Are you ready to hit escape? Oh my god, we barely popped this down. Get that blue balloon, please. What is that? What is that, bro? I don't think they're gonna hit it. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back. Back out again. Okay, can I afford the Avatar of Wrath? I don't think I can. I can't. I don't know. This is not good. Okay, I'm gonna have it not on 2x speed. And I'm gonna wait until a lot of the balloons are here. And then I'm gonna use this ability. Wait, can I buy it? Ooh, a little more money and then I can buy the Avatar of Wrath. Come on. I'm gonna speed it up.
Tracking BFB.
Come on. Let me use this ability. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Use this ability too. Avatar of Wrath. There we go. Pop it down, pop it down. Come on. Yes, okay. This is good, this is good. Okay. Are we fine here? Against these ceramics? We are. Let's go, bro. Avatar of Wrath comes in clutch. I'm gonna put this guy back on last. Dang, this Avatar of Wrath is going. Okay, I'm gonna put down another Druid up here to get this guy to 4x Populus Bus. Oh no! Are we fine against that? Yes. Barely. Populus buff with that. Okay. So there's a lot of things that could go wrong right now. Like a lot of things. DDTs are gonna be a huge issue because we can hardly. I mean, we're doing great. The Avatar of Wrath is kind of insane when there's a lot of balloons in its radius. So I'm gonna buy Jungle's Bounty, and then maybe I'm gonna try and save up for Spirit of the Forest. Hopefully we can get it in the next 10 rounds.
Tracking
It's only around
0 MG.
80. That's crazy. Okay, we popped that ZMG down really easily. Holy. Come on, Avatar of Wrath. Thank you.
Ooh. Tracking
And this,
BFB.
since we are on Chimps, this ability is not going to do anything, so I'm not actually going to use it. I mean, I guess I could use it. Oh wait, it literally won't even let me use it. I thought it would let me use it, it just wouldn't give me any money for it. But no, it literally doesn't give me anything. Oh yeah, he's getting an attack speed buff at the start of the round, which is that red thing around his feet. I'm gonna use this drone ability just to help take out the stuff. When does he get another upgrade? It's level 15. Okay, so at 19, he controls 4 drones at a time. That's crazy. This man's insane. So this guy is the 4x Populus buff.
Tracking MOAB.
This guy, I think. So I think I want him to be our Spirit of the Forest. There's no way we get all 5th tiers. There's no way I get a Superstorm, right? I just really hope we can defend the DDTs. That's the big issue here, I think, is the DDTs that are gonna be there. I like to call them... I'm gonna use this ability. Just to hopefully, just to help pop down the balloons. And this is a double ZMG round. So I think we're fine against this. Yeah, we're shredding. Our Avatar of Wrath is shredding the balloons. And then there's just lightning everywhere. Yo, those drones are looking sick. Etienne's got some epic drones. Okay, a little under 10,000 more and we can buy the Spirit of the Forest, which is another epic upgrade to have. 78, or 87, my bad, is a 4 ZOMG round. I think I'm going to use this ability to pop down the normal balloons, hopefully. And I really hope we can get Spirit of the Forest before round 90. Okay, there's a lot of balloons here. But Avatar of Wrath is going to be insane because the more balloons, the more popping power on our Avatar of Wrath. So we want more balloons, but we don't want more balloons on the screen, in his range at least. That is a lot of very fast fortified Moabs. I'm gonna use that ability. We're fine against it. Okay. Oh, we can almost buy Spirit of the Forest, which is very epic. Come on, come on, come on. A little more. Just don't die. Literally just don't die. Is that blue balloon gonna get by? Please tell me. Okay, we popped it down. That yellow's gonna get by. Okay. $89. I'm gonna get this Avatar of Wrath to target strong and this guy to target first and see how we do.
Tracking MOAB.
Oh, we're fine. I'm gonna use Etienne's first ability, drone ability.
Tracking BSD.
We're fine. I'm gonna use this ability to hopefully pop down the balloons. Okay, and we do survive that. I'm gonna take this guy off strong and put him back to first and put this guy back from last. And come on. DDTs.
DDT.
Oh no. Are we fine? Please tell me. Please tell me we're fine. Okay, okay, we're fine. Spirit of the Forest, let's go. Spirit of the Forest is gonna put constant vines all over the floor. And I don't get to explode them for some reason. That's kinda dumb. Okay, it's around 91. I want more top paths, I think. With bottom path. I want more 402s because they're very good. And I want them more in the back of the map so they can blow back DDT, like what the ceramics that come from the DDTs. And hopefully just blow back any other balloons too. Sure, we'd have the storm.
Tracking ZOMG.
Hopefully this guy can get level 20 soon so we have a permanent airplane popping down the balloons. I'm gonna use this ability because there's a lot of balloons on the screen right now, which is good for our Avatar of Wrath to hopefully get that extra attack range, or speed I mean.
Drone power. Tracking BFB. Eyes up. DDT, DDT. Tracking ZOMG. Swap decoy. Tracking.
Okay, 95 DDTs. Are we fine? I'm gonna use drone ability. Are we fine? I think we're fine here. It's 95 DDTs. Okay, we're fine.
Drone power.
That is a lot of balloons. I just really need Etienne to get level 20 so we have the constant plane. That'll really help. I'm gonna put down another Storm Druid. I'm just gonna have them target all different types of balloons. So one target strong, last, first, and close. We fine here? Yeah, I think we're fine. There's no DDTs on this round, I think. Just to reinforce the OMGs. Okay, and I'm gonna... I think we're fine against that. Are we fine? Okay, yes, we're fine. I'm gonna max him out. There we go. We have a constant plane now. And now our drones are really good, I think. I want to use this ability to get him supercharged with this drone ability. Because, dang, there's a lot of balloons. Avatar of Wrath is shredding. Oh my. DDTs! Are we good? Are we chilling? Okay, it's BAD time.
Heads up. Tracking
Come on.
BAD.
Pop it down. Use that ability. Come on. Yes, okay. I'm gonna use that ability. Come on. Let's go! We did it. We popped down round freaking 100. And our Avatar of Wrath, our 205, got 800,000 pops. That's a lot of damage. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!